Some good news from the medical world. The FDA has granted accelerated approval for a drug which helps slow down the effect of Alzheimer's. Our Tom Kowalski has the story.
With about 5.8 million people nationwide suffering from Alzheimer's, it's likely that you, or someone you know, has the debilitating disease. And while there may not be a cure, today, the FDA gave accelerated approval to lecanemab, which according to previous drug trials, slows the progression of the disease in early stages.
This is the second approved drug in the class of drugs that really help to treat the underlying biology of Alzheimer's disease. For those living in the early stages of Alzheimer's disease and those living with mild cognitive impairment. And so what this means is that there is more time for them to be with their loved ones in the earliest and the most high functioning stages of the disease.
The drug will be sold under the name lecanemab. And Sarah Murphy, of the Alzheimer's Association of Greater Pennsylvania, says it's their job to make sure it's easily accessible to those who need it.
So since it is FDA approved, there'll be some time before being available at your provider. However, one thing that the Alzheimer's Association is working on is making sure that the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid provide access and coverage of this.
So what does this mean for those living with Alzheimer's?
More moments, more time. It could be more birthdays, more weddings, more events, more Christmases together. This is something that you can't measure that. That is something that families deserve. And those living in the earliest stages of the disease, this is just monumental.
Tom Kowalski, Erie News Now.
And trials saw the medicine slowing down cognitive decline by 27% over an 18-month period.